Hello boys and girls and welcome back to Mark Making. Today's letter sound and picture we are going to learn is z, zip. Z, zip. You try. Well done, great job guys. Today's sound, it's a stretchy sound. Z, zip. And to write our letter sound today, we go zig, zag, zip. Oh, should we try that again? Zig, zag, zip. Wow. I'm going to have a go in the purple powder paint. I'm going to get my magic writing finger. We start at the top and we go zig, zag, zip. Wow! Why don't you have a go at home and send us your pictures? Have a great day, Mark Making. Bye!